Okay, we've got the limit of 1 over 7 plus x minus 1 over 7, and that's all over x, as x approaches 0. I'm claiming that this limit is equal to negative 1 over 49. Well, we do the direct substitution first, so I directly plug 0 in for x, and then simplify it down, and we end up getting 0 over 0. So I would suggest that we probably need to try to simplify this as much as we can. So what I do here is I get a common denominator, and that means I'm going to be multiplying 7 over 7, and then I'm going to multiply 7 plus x over 7 plus x. Now sometimes we hear this as cross multiplying, right? 7 times what's up here in the numerator, and then 7 plus x times what's up here in the numerator. However, this is really the proper way of doing this. Now what we need to do is simplify this down, so I'm going to multiply the 7 times the 1 and get 7, and then I've got 1 times 7 plus x, which is just 7 plus x. And so we take the 7 plus x, multiply it by the 7, as you can see here. Now what we've got is a common denominator. So now I'm going to add the numerators, so this becomes 7 minus. Now what I do here is I go ahead and distribute this negative across. So that's the reason there's a negative x here. So we have 7 minus x. And of course it's over the denominator. Now I need to simplify this down. So we simplify it down. 7 minus 7 is 0. So we're left with a negative x. Now what I do here is I go ahead and just drop this denominator directly down. So the 7 times the 7 plus x, as you can see here. Now we've got an x in the numerator and x in the denominator. Those will cancel out, and we'll be left with negative 1 over 7 times, in parentheses, 7 plus x. Now we can go ahead and do the direct substitution. So I substitute the 0 in for the x, then we simplify it down to negative 1 over 49, and that's what we claimed our limit was equal to. We have the limit of 2 times, and in parentheses, x plus delta x minus 2x all over delta x, as delta x approaches 0. So we want to do the direct substitution, plugging 0 in for where there is a delta x. And as you can see, I do that. And once we simplify this, we end up getting 0 over 0. So that means that we need to look at this and either try to simplify it down or maybe some other technique, but it's looking like we just need to simplify this down. So we multiply the 2 across, which gives us 2x plus 2 delta x minus 2x over delta x. And as you can see, the 2x and the minus 2x cancel out, and we're left with a 2 delta x in the numerator and a delta x in the denominator. However, because there's a delta x in the numerator and a delta x in the denominator, we can cancel those out. So we're left with now, after everything is boiled down, we have now the limit of a constant as delta x approaches 0. And the limit of a constant is just the constant. So no matter what this number is here, this is going to always equal 2, as long as that's a 2.